Introducing ProForce Padre 270, the plant growth regulator designed for smarter vegetation management in grasslands, roadsides, and hard-to-maintain areas. ProForce Padre 270 contains 270 grams per litre Maleic Hydrazide, a systemic plant growth regulator, PGR, that's absorbed through the foliage and moves throughout the plant to where new cells are forming. It works by slowing or stopping cell division in shoots and seed head primordia. This means less vertical growth, fewer seed heads, and a tidier, more manageable sward. With a single application, ProForce Padre 270 delivers 12 to 16 weeks of growth suppression, reducing mowing frequency, line of sight issues, and lowering maintenance costs, especially in difficult to access areas. As a result of having limited impact on root development and via redirection of growth toward density instead of extension, ProForce Padre 270 also supports better ground cover, soil stability, and erosion prevention. Perfect for Bahia grass, Kikuyu, and other vigorously growing grass species, ProForce Padre 270 is a cost-effective, non-scheduled PGR ideal for roadsides, rail corridors, fence lines, and industrial non-crop areas. ProForce Padre 270, smart growth management for grasslands. Visit www.indigospecialty.com.au.